Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to switch accounts linked with Google or Facebook on Iqiyi. Now, let's say you want to switch the account you linked with Google. Well, the first thing you need to do is sign out of your current account on Iqiyi, then switch account. Log in with Google account when you log in. So switch that login with Google account. At the Google login page, you can select the account you have logged in or log in with another VIP account. So to switch it, I repeat, you have to sign up for the current account on Iqiyi, then click on switch account. Then at the Google login page, you can select the account you have logged in with or log in with another VIP account. Now, if you want to switch the account linked with your Facebook, you can simply sign up for the current account of Facebook, then sign in again with the linked account you want to use or the VIP linked account, then sign in again with Facebook on Iqiyi. Now, if there's no Iqiyi account that can be found in your Google or Facebook account, or if you're unable to confirm the account that you have connected to, but the account has connected to an email address or has a password or has had a password, try logging in with your email address and your password instead. Now, if the login account is not the one you want to use, for Iqiyi users with multiple accounts linked with Google or Facebook, login accounts are affected by factors like the third-party quick login mechanism. The second choice, which is under the control of Iqiyi, so you have to go to the third-party apps. Hope you found this video helpful.